Hi viewers, today is lecture number 5 of pictorial knowledge. In this lecture, we will discuss important fort in Pakistan. So, let's start. MCQs number first. Mcqs Fort is situated in answer Bakkar, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important points half a kilometer from Mcqs on the Bakkar highway. This fort was built in two phases, one in Baloch rule and other phase in Pathan rule. The fort and its fortification is mostly in ruin. Next MCQs. Satgara Fort is situated in Okada, Punjab, and its important point, fort of Mir Chakar Khan Rind. A fort was also built to protect the town. The fort is a perfect square with each side 130 meter in length. Next MCQs. Milot Fort is situated in answer Chakwal, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, Milot Fort was the idea of a Hindu Jangjua Rajput ruler of the 12th century. The Milot Fort was built in the 10th century AD. The ancient fort, which was built around 980 AD. And the next, Nandana Fort is situated in answer Chakwal, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, it was ruled by the Hindu Shahi kings. Function fortification, a fort built at a strategic location on a hilly range. Next MCQs. Attock Fort is situated in answer Attock, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, Attock Fort was built by Akbar the Great from 1581 to 1583. Construction started 1581. The fort was captured in 1812 by Sikhs. And the next, Manro Fort is situated in answer DG Khan, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, at a height of 6,470 feet above sea level, and Dera Ghazi Khan. Fort Munro, also known as Tuman Dagari, a hill station, elevation 1972 meter. Next MCQs. Islamgarh Fort is situated in answer Rahim Yar, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, situated 100 km north of Rahim Yar Khan in the heart of Cholistan desert. Originally known as Bhimwar Fort, it was built by Rawal Bhim Singh in 1665. And the next MCQs. Rawat Fort is situated in answer Rawalpindi, Pakistan, and its important point, an early 16th century fort in the Pothohar Plateau of Pakistan. The fort built to defend Pothohar Plateau from force of Pashtun king Sher Shah Suri. It is 17 km east of Rawalpindi on Grand Trunk Road. Next MCQs. Kot Diji Fort is situated in Haipur Sen, Pakistan, and its important point, the ancient site at Kot Diji was the forerunner of the Indus civilization. Kot Diji Fort was built by Mir Sohrab Khan, Talpur between 1785 and 1795. The Kot Diji Fort, formerly known as Fort Ahmedabad. Next, Faiz Mahal is situated in answer Hairpur Sen, Pakistan, and its important point, it was built by Mir Sohrab Khan in 1798. Year built 1798. Architectural style Mughal architecture. Next MCQs. Pako Killa is situated in Hyderabad, Sindh, Pakistan, and its important point, formerly known as Pakka Killa, built 1769. The Pako Killa built by Ghulam Shah. Next, Rohtas Fort is situated in answer Jhelum, Punjab, Pakistan. And its important point, the fort is one of the largest and most formidable in the subcontinent. Fort is known for its large defensive walls. In 1541, Sher Shah Suri built Rohtas Fort. Next MCQs. Lahore Fort is situated in answer Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan, and its important point, area greater than 20 acres, location in Greater Iqbal Park, built 1566 with later additions under Mughal and Sikh empires. And the next MCQs, Abbas Fort is situated in Bahawal Nagar, Punjab, Pakistan. And its important point, Fort Abbas, formerly Folra. It is famous for its desert Cholistan, elevation 143 meter. Next MCQs, Delaware Fort is situated in answer Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. And its important point, a large square fort in Ahmedpur East Tehsil, Punjab, Pakistan, approximately 130 km south of the city of Bahawalpur. The wall have a perimeter of 1500 meters and stand up to 30 meter high. And next, Sadiq Palace is situated in Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. And its important point, this palace was established in 1882 by His Highness Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan. Construction cost 15 lakh rupees, completed in 10 years. Look at the picture. Next MCQs, Noor Mahal is situated in answer Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. And its important point, architect Mir Hinan, Mr. Hinan, architectural style, Italian chateau on new classical line, size 44,600 square feet. Next MCQs, Ramkot Fort is situated in answer Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. Point, Ramkot Fort beside Bangla Dam. It was built in 1008, 13 km away from Dina and 79 km by road from Mirpur, Azad Kashmir to Jadial town. And the next MCQs, Ali Masjid Fort is situated in answer Khyber Agency, Fata. And its important point, year built 1837, built by Dost Muhammad Khan. The fort was captured by the British in 1839 during the First Anglo-Afghan War. Next, Jamrud Fort is situated in answer Khyber Agency, Fata. And its important point, the Jamrud Fort is located beside Babe Khyber. The fort was built by Hari Singh Nalwa. Jamrud noted for its fort built with 10 feet thick wall in 1836. And this is the picture. Next MCQs, Altit Fort is situated in answer Hunzavili, Gilgit Baltistan. And its important point, restored 2007. Altit Fort is around 1100 year old. Altit Fort is an ancient fort at Altit town in the Hunzavili in Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Next, Baltit Fort is situated in answer Hunzavili, Gilgit-Baltistan. And its important point, Baltit Fort is a fort in the Hunzavili near the town of Karimabad in the Gilgit-Baltistan, founded in the 18th century. Baltit Fort is 700 years old. Next MCQs, Bala Hisar Fort is situated in answer Peshawar, KPK, Pakistan. And its important point, former name Samirgarh, built by Babur, open 1849. Next, Ranikot Fort is situated in Jamshuru, Sindh, Pakistan. And it's an important point, also called Great Wall of Sindh. Material, stone and lime mortar. Founded 1812. Length 31 kilometer. And this is the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Pictorial Knowledge, and like, comment and share our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.